The push press is designed to strengthen the torso and develop powerful pushing techniques. This exercise starts in a rack or by power cleaning the bar from the floor to your shoulders. If you're going to fail on this lift, remember to bail out and step either forward or backward, far away from the bar to avoid injury. The push press can be performed on the back of the shoulders or the front of the shoulders. Once familiar with the press on the back of your shoulders, participants can move on to the front of the shoulders. Start by gripping the bar with a pronated grip with palms facing forward and thumbs around the bar opposite the fingers. Begin by taking a short dip by bending the knees to slightly drop the hips. The drop must be straight down and upward, allowing the bar to be projected off of the shoulders. As the legs become fully extended, explosively press the bar to an arms locked out position. In the drive phase, the heels may leave the ground, but the toes may not. By pushing with the legs and pressing with the shoulders and arms, this lift can be completed with proper technique. During the dip phase of this exercise, a common mistake is making a deep or full squat in preparation to press while slowly driving through your hips. The dip should be a quarter squat at most, with a fast rebounding movement to shoot the hips through, providing momentum. Another common mistake is not making a dip and just pressing the bar, which would be a shoulder press and not a push press. Two ways to progress this exercise would be to perform the push press with dumbbells and then with a barbell in a split squat stance. This exercise is for learning jumps. The posture, landing, and takeoff position for vertical hip projection begins with a quarter squat. Start this exercise with an upright stance, knees slightly bent, chest out, and shoulders back. Begin the movement by projecting the hips upward for height and using only the lower portion of the legs. Use the arms and shoulders in an upward blocking fashion. Emphasize slight flexion and extension of the knee and more flexion of the ankle. Upon takeoff, the ankle must be dorsiflexed or toes up. Maintain this lock position throughout the movement to ensure quick, elastic takeoffs. Two common mistakes are not completely dorsiflexing the foot and allowing plantar flexion. Also, tucking your knees when you are in the air instead of keeping them fully extended. Two ways to progress this exercise are to add a weight vest or by placing dumbbells in each hand to add resistance to takeoff. This exercise is used to practice the transfer of force. More forces are applied by following extension with flexion during flight. Flex the knee joint to allow upward lift with the lower leg. Start the exercise in an upright stance, knees slightly bent, chest out, and shoulders back. Begin the movement using a quick counter movement jump. Extend the hips for vertical height, and upon full extension, tuck the toes up and pull the heels directly upward, as if backed up against a wall. The knees will rise upward and forward, but not in a tuck. Maintain your posture and upright position by blocking with the arms. Two common mistakes are not raising your knees to your chest and not starting the jump from a quarter squat. Two ways to progress this exercise are to add a weighted vest or to jump onto a box.